In this video, I will cover 8 different examples of the Linux cut command. This video focuses on extracting and cutting along with extracting single and multiple fields between delimiters using the cut command in Ubuntu terminal. So, watch the full video to master this command. Linux cut command is a utility tool for extracting a range of information from a file. It cuts out specific sections from each line of the file. Using the cut command, you can slice text based on bytes, characters, fields, or delimiters. You can apply these parameters with the help of the options. But you must type at least one of the available options after the cut command. Otherwise, the system will show error messages. The syntax of the cut command is cut followed by option and file. The Linux cut command offers several options for extracting information from files. You will find all those at the manual page. For that, type man cut. Here from the manual page, you can pick your useful one. And to exit this page, hit Q. At first, I will extract a specific field from a file. For this example, I will extract the first field from my already existing text file employee.txt. First, open the Ubuntu terminal and to view the employee.txt file, type cat employee.txt. Hit enter and you can see that this file contains some information about the employees. Now to extract the first field, type cat -f1 employee.txt. Here, the -f1 indicates that the first column from each line will be extracted. Now hit enter and you can see that this command has extracted the first field of the file. Using the -f option, you can also cut out multiple fields from a file. For example, type in the terminal cut -f2, 3, 4 and the file name employee.txt. This command will extract the second, third and fourth columns from each line of the file. So now hit enter and you can see this command prints out the multiple fields which are column 2, 3 and 4. You can also use the command cut -f2-4 and the file name employee.txt instead of the previous command. Here the hyphen between 2 and 4 indicates that the starting column is 2 and the ending column is 4. And if you hit enter, you can see that this command gives the same output as the previous one. Now suppose you want to view a file from a specific column to the end. For that, you can type cut -f2- the file name employee.txt. Here, the hyphen after a field value indicates all the values after the second field. Hit enter and look, all the fields starting from 2 are displayed. Now this one is about extracting a specific number of bytes from a file using the cut command. For this, type cut -b-5 and the file name employee.txt. Here, the -b-5 will extract the first 5 bytes of each line of the file. Hit enter and look, first 5 bytes of each line is displayed. Again, if you run the command cut -b1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the file name employee.txt, you will get the same output. See? Also using the -b option, you can cut out a range of bytes from a file. Suppose from the employee.txt file, you want to cut out the bytes of the range 25 to 33. To do so, type cut -b25-33 and the file name employee.txt. This command will extract all the bytes from the range 25 to 33. Hit enter. Look, it's done. Again, if you wish to display all the values after a specific byte, then you may use the command cut -b25- and the file name employee.txt. Here, the hyphen after 25 means all the values after the 25th byte. Look, all the values after the 25th byte are displayed. Now I will show how to extract a specific number of characters from a file using the cut command. For that, type cut -c-3 and the file name employee.txt. Here, the -c option specifies that characters will be extracted from the file, and the -3 argument indicates that the first 3 characters from each line will be extracted. Hit enter and look, the first 3 characters of each line are displayed. Again, if you run the command cut -c1, 2, 3 and the file name, you will get the same output. Now, Let's cut a range of characters from a file using the -C option. Type cut -C. Now the range 25 to 28 and the file name employee.txt. This command will extract the characters 25 to 28 from each line of the file. Hit enter and you can see the output. Also, if you wish to extract all the characters from a specific byte, you can type the command cut -C. Now enter the starting byte 26 dash and the file name. Here the hyphen after 26 will extract all the characters after the 26th character. Hit enter and you can see the result. If you wish to extract contents between delimiters from a file using the cut command, you can use the option -D. Type cut -D. Suppose I want to extract the values between colon. So I am putting colon in double quotation. Now -F for field and 4 for the field 4 option. And now the file name employee.txt. So this command will extract the values between colon of the 4th field of the text file. Hit enter. Now let's have a look at the original file using the command cat employee.txt. Hit enter and you can see this command has extracted all the values between the colon of 4th field. Using the cut command with the -D option, you can cut out contents between delimiters of multiple fields of a file. For example, if you type cut -D colon in between double quotation -F for fields, then the range of fields and the file name employee.txt. Hit enter. Now display the original file and you can see that this command has printed out all the values between the colon of each line. That's it. In this video, I presented the frequent uses of the cut command. Keep in mind that you must provide a file or redirect standard input to use this command. I hope these practical examples will help you retrieve necessary information from the command line and increase your expertise in Linux. For more insights, read the article linked in the description. You will also find the commands there. So stay connected and keep following LinuxSimply. Goodbye.